Let's upgrade this garage space with some exciting, unexpected light fixtures. I'm going to show you how I did it without any hard wiring. But I am also going to show you how I hid the wires so that I can still run electrical down the road. First, you'll want to make sure the orange gasket is secure in the cover nut. Then you'll want to take the socket and unroll the wiring and make it straight. We'll then want to pull the wire through the light shade. Then take the cover nut with the orange gasket and slide the wires through it to the top of the lampshade. Then reverse thread the cover nut onto the top of the socket. Then I fed the wires through the arm. Once the wires were through the arm, I then attached the arm to the top of the lampshade. Then did this process 2 more times. Now you'll want to trim the excess wiring from the socket. I plan running electrical at some point to these lights, so I'm going to keep at least 6 inches of extra wire. Then going to push the excess wire back up into the arm so I can save it for later for when I do want to run electrical. I then installed these light bulbs that I found on Amazon that are run off a battery and that have a remote to turn them on. Next, I attached the steel mounting plate to the wall. Now all that's left is attaching the light to the mounting plate. And here is the final look. It was a super easy upgrade that you can do to elevate your garage space. The lights that I installed in this garage space was an 11-inch Westchester and Green from Steel Lighting Co. Now get out in your garage and make that space something more like your home with some unexpected light fixtures.